I have closed this financial year, Chair, having paid every single retention amount. I have closed this financial year. During the period that I have been in office, there will be no accruing pending bill. So that means I'm closing this year with 0 pending bill. All the roads that we have done, the 30 roads, any one of them that the payment has reached to be paid has already been paid. Everything that needs to be paid has been paid in totality in 100%. So we are closing the year with 0 retention. We are closing the year with 0 pending bills. And I'm saying the 0 pending bills basically for this particular financial year that we are in. So we are not incurring anything extra. Of course, there will be the issue of pending bills that space permissible. I will also be able to state what are my plans to be able to clear the levels of pending bills.